What you got in your head? Show me. Show me your face. Well then. Is it open? Yeah. So it's slowly coming together. Got the door off the old ute. The original passenger door in this car was stuffed along with the whole front end. Hence why it's everything's a different colour at the moment. Hoping to have it all painted one colour by next weekend, but we shall see how that goes. Got the old Velo in. Once again, gonna try and get the hydro on that done by Foolish Line Day, which is the 31st of this month. It's currently the, what is it, 22nd, so we've got a week and a bit, don't we? Why is this so orange? So still don't have any roof lining or anything back in it, but that doesn't matter. Just waiting on Jared from Automotive Technics to give me a call regarding getting it started and tuning it, retuning it. So obviously it's the running gear out of the ute, and yeah, ECU, and that's out of the ute as well because this car didn't come with one. So he's got to do some beat bops and get it to work with this car's BCM and key and stuff. So hopefully he can get that sorted later this week or early next week. That just sort of puts a bit of a damper on getting it painted because I can't really drive it obviously if it doesn't run. So anyway, it's a 2012 Series 2 VSS. Pretty much was a bare shell. Put everything on it. Everything's a different colour. Obviously didn't come with it. Pretty much had the rear end, these two doors. That was about it. Had to find all interior pieces. Still trying to find a few interior pieces. Underneath we've got Shockworks coilovers all around. Really, obviously it needs to go a bit lower, but they haven't even, like, the brand new, haven't settled or anything yet. I'm gonna keep the front high. Probably not, hopefully it settles like that much. But the problem with this car, even in the ute, I had to have the front a bit higher anyway, just makes it drive a bit better. Someone's trying to escape out the other side. What are you doing? Yeah, obviously got these D-speed wheels. I don't know, got them sort of for a decent price. Had Wheelworks re-drill them from 5x114 to 5x120, so there's no spaces or anything. The front is obviously the old wheels off the ute. They're a bit beat up. I'm gonna hopefully give them a bit of a freshen up if time permits. They do run a GK Tech, I think it is, or something, 20mm, 25mm bolt-on spacer. Obviously 6 litre baby cam, same running gear out of the ute. Have not done anything to it. Yeah, hoping, fingers crossed that, like I said, Jared at Automotive Technics, or one of the boys down there, can get it running ASAP. A little early morning down to Automotive Technics to see if they can get this thing fired up. Well, first problem, he can't seem to get any power to from the BCM or something, so that's a good start. Nah.